Evaluating speaker number 3. That was Toastmaster Mohammed, and he talked to us within the Dynamic Leadership Pathway Level 3, a project about the Toastmasters Club website. Evaluator number 3, President Santos, please proceed.
Thank you, General Evaluator Toastmaster Beatrice. The success of your presentation will not be judged by the knowledge you shared, but how you have enticed listeners and the kind of information that the listeners were able to receive from you, is what Lily Walter had said. Madam General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters, and my speaker, Toastmaster Vikarudin, is concerned. We very well know from this presentation that Toastmaster Vikarudin is a very good IT professional. He's designed his slides pretty well. He has done a software wherein the slides were seamlessly moved to the next, and the slide designs were wonderful. Slide effectiveness to an extent was good. Let me move forward. I would wish that he would have come across and mentioned the reason for the presentation first, giving what he plans to achieve out of this presentation, what the earner or the listeners will ultimately gain from this presentation. And that opening would have made a little difference because he jumped right into the explanation of the slides. We're moving forward. The transition of the slides are pretty good, but I feel that the transitions were very fast for a person to understand. But since the speaker was standing and speaking, his gestures were very clear, and there was good body language and eye contact, and he's tried to maintain all that while standing and speaking. But when he had to stand and speak, he had to take the blow and the disadvantage of getting the screen behind him, which was not very clear for the audience. So very rarely, I could not read the screen very clearly. I would have probably wished that he would have shared the screen, in which case it would have been much more clearer for the audience to understand and to read. And since the slides are moving, transition was very fast. By the time people grasped one screen, the next already came. So I believe that he would have probably used his time well to spread it across very well, so that even if he doesn't pass all the information passed would have been easily understood. So the slides were well designed and the software was seamlessly moving. And I was wondering, how did he do it? Because the screen came behind him. Now, when he had this, the TV kind of a presentation where the screens were behind him, it looked very good and it was charming. But at the same time, the blow that he had to take is that the screen became not too legible for people to read. So I would see that since the legibility, it's not what when you do a presentation, it's not to impress, it is to express. So at that point of time, I think there are a few things that we need to be corrected, like we mentioned, that the screen sharing would have been clearer if it was a screen share rather than doing it as a software behind it. Slides were excellent. The gestures were excellent. You had done the presentation well laid up. The presentation was well formulated. We had a comprehensive, all social medias we accumulated there. The software explained, website was explained. Only thing is that the transition moved a bit faster. But well done. You are qualified for the stage. Go ahead, move with even greater enthusiasm. Back to you, Madam Toastmaster. Back to you, Madam Toastmaster.
Thank you very much. Evaluate.